I have a question. Do you mind me if I ask one?
Sure.
My name is Rose, and I just joined the other day, and I went out there today to try to promote it, and I did. I went to some friends and family and a couple groups, but I didn't get any response. Now, I'm just saying, if I don't get anybody to join my link, do we still earn?
Yeah, so as I was saying, you still earn, you have the potential to earn up to $4,900 a month on the 2x12, even if you refer nobody. However, I think realistically speaking, and of course I can't make income claims, but we're in so early at this point, and so new. We're only a week in. I can't help but think you'd make at least $500 to $1,000 a month, 90 days, 120 days down the road, if it takes that long. I don't know.
I know it's consistency. I just got to keep doing it.
That's right.
I have never been good at recruiting. It's just wrong.
You're going to laugh at me, but the biggest thing I'm having success with right now is simply sharing it on Facebook Messenger with other networkers. I just send a little ad out, and I can send you what I'm using, but...
yeah, that would be great if you could.
Yeah, just sending it out on Messenger to other networkers, and it's just really resonating well with people, the price point and the product.
Yeah, if you would, I would appreciate it. It would help.
Yeah, so we're in the process of adding the back office, like done-for-you email swipes, like text message, email, just things that you can use in your arsenal. And we have a list already of places that you can advertise. A lot of those are free places, just takes a little bit of time. But yeah,